where would you utilize that skill set of relay testing? What industries does that fall into? What are the opportunities out there for somebody that's in relay testing?
So I'll start down here and I'll move up, right? The relay is essentially the relay, if you look it up, it's a device that will operate when you give it a set condition, right? So if you have a relay in your car, those are all 12-volt relays. They get 12 volts, they turn on. Bam, that's all they are. This relay right here, this is set to operate when you program it to a certain current threshold. It will close contacts on the back, and that trips the circuit breaker. You can have other relays that are logic programmed, so that way they can actually operate a whole bunch of equipment and bring a solar farm up or down. So that there's different types of relays, different manufacturers, different designs for how they're installed. Some of them are this big, some of them are this big. There's all different kinds, but you'll see them in all different kinds of applications. You'll see some of them for low voltage all the way up to high voltage. You'll see some of them installed just as an auxiliary contact, because this relay, the back contacts can only close under 5 amps. Well, that circuit breaker's trip coil takes 40 amps impulse. So it'll smoke these contacts. So what they do is they have this one operate a smaller little aux relay, but that one is designed only just to turn on. And when it turns on, it can deliver the higher current. So there's different relays, use them different design concepts to make the scheme work. But it could be for low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, protection-based, auxiliary-based. You'll see them in hospitals. You'll see it anywhere that there's a power system, basically. You'll see relays. Relays can also be used to operate pneumatic systems, steam plants, all kinds of stuff. So that pretty much nailed that one down, I think.
I think so. Now, what environments would you see them working in? Data centers, hospitals, substations?
Yep, usually in the basements of all of those.
Okay, gotcha. Sorry, that was just me opining more to make sure that everybody, because I know that you guys can talk at a very upper level, but not everybody in the audience will understand that. So I wanted to kind of bring it into
downtown Nashville the other day, and they their first floor has a whole bunch of
I love show and tell with Tom.
Has a whole bunch of these guys in there. And then you go up a few more floors, and it's just distribution. Every third floor or whatnot in these giant high rises. Every third floor is the maintenance floor, and that's where all the power goes from the first floor all the way up, and then it stops here, branches out. And then you go up, and it's operated by a different client. And they have all these ones because they afford more, so there's just a bunch of different relays and different manufacturer styles, older technology, newer technology. And a lot of it just comes down to one thing, and that's money.